Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure online advertising with Facebook ads, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start configuring online advertising with Facebook ads, visit the Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account if you aren't already. Once you're in Ads Manager, click on the green Create button to begin a new campaign. Choose your marketing objective from the provided options. Select an objective that aligns with your business goal. Click Continue once you've made your selection. Next, you will be taken to the campaign settings. Here, you can name your campaign and set a budget. Decide whether you want to run a campaign budget optimization. Once set, click Next to proceed to the ad set level. In the ad set, you'll define your target audience. Choose your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can also create a custom audience if you have specific criteria in mind. Next, set your ad placement preferences. You can select automatic placements or manually choose where your ads will appear. Now, set your budget and schedule. Decide if you want to run your ad continuously or set a specific start and end date. Moving on to the ad level, choose your ad format. You can select from options like carousel, single image, or video. Upload your creative assets, such as images or videos. Craft compelling ad copy to engage your audience. Make sure to include a clear call to action. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to submit your campaign for review. After approval, your ads will start running based on the schedule you set. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly in Ads Manager. Analyze the data and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.